Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this very warm, super smoky eye. Can you believe I used to wear smoky eyes like this every day, like years ago? But ever since I became a mom, my looks have gotten a lot more simpler. But since baby was put to sleep very early tonight, I had a few hours on my hands, so I thought, why not give it a try? So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. First, I'm going to start off using the L'Oreal Magic Lumi Light Infusing Primer, and I'm going to apply that all over my face using a foundation brush. You can use a beauty blender or a silicone blender or your fingers. Doesn't matter how you want to apply it, but I'm just using a foundation brush. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Hydrate and Smooth Foundation in the shade Medium Buff, number 225. And I'm going to dot that all over my face. And then I'm going to use a flat brush to blend it all out and even out my complexion. Then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. And I'm going to apply that all over my face and just brush it all out, just so that I can set my foundation. And then I'm going in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to use that to sculpt my cheeks and add a little more definition to my face, because if I don't, my face ends up looking very flat and boring. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to also use it to contour my nose so that I can make it look a little bit more slimmer and smaller and more uplifted. And finally, I'm going to use it as a transition color on the hollows of my eyes. Then with the shade Golden Bronze from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette, I'm going to go over the bronzer that I just did, just so I can blend out any harsh lines. And then I'm going to use the color Sunburst from the same palette, and I'm going to highlight my cheeks, my brow bone, my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. Next, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the color Ash Brown to do my eyebrows. I usually start from the bottom of my eyebrows towards the tail, and once I'm done that, I fill in the rest of my eyebrows, but I start from the back because that's where I like my eyebrows to be the darkest, and then move my way forward so that there's a gradient effect from the front of my brows to the tails of my brow. I also might just do a eyebrow tutorial in the near future, so stay tuned for that. And here I'm just using some concealer to clean up my brows and give it a more defined look. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Master Palette by Mario, and with the color Isabel, I'm going to use a fluffy brush and just apply that to the hollows of my eyes where I previously applied the bronzer. Next, I'm going to use the color Violeta from the same palette, and I'm going to apply that to my entire eyelid. Here I'm using a eyeshadow brush that came with the palette, and I'm just packing that color on. Don't worry about any harsh lines because we're going to use a clean fluffy brush in just a bit to blend out the two colors so that they are nice and seamless. And then I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush to line my lower lash line with the two colors that we just used. Next, I'm going to use a pencil liner to line my eyes. It doesn't have to be a perfect line, don't worry about it because we're going to be smudging that out in just a bit. And I'm also going to line my waterline with the pencil liner. That part is totally optional. And once I'm done that, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and I'm going to go over the eyeliner I just did using a smudging brush. And I'm just going to try and smoke out that black eyeliner and eyeshadow together. Next, I'm going to use a pencil liner and line my lower waterline, and I'm going to blend it out with a brush so it has a smoky effect between the brown eyeshadow and the black eyeliner. To finish off the eyes, I'm using Evermore Lashes in the style Lashtastic. I also have a discount code for you guys, so if you would like to receive 20% off of your final purchase, head on over to my description box to get more info there. And moving on to my lips, I'm using KYLIE Cosmetics lip liner in the color Exposed. And as you can see here, I am totally guilty of overlining my lips just the slightest bit. And I'm going to finish off using Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the color Bow and Arrow. Guys, I wasn't so sure about this color when I first bought it, but now I'm obsessed with it. It is definitely one of my favorite nude lip colors. And that's it. This is the final look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then please hit the like button. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, then please hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time.